In front of me is OPPO Reno 13 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. Autocorrection is a phone feature that fixes spelling mistakes or changes words to what it thinks you mean. That's why most people like it or hate it. So today I will show you how to turn it on or off on this OPPO. Begin by opening Settings. Now scroll all the way down and hit System and Update. Then click on Keyboard and Input Method. Close this pop-up if you never entered those settings before. And this way tap on Manage Keyboards. Now you can select Gboard at the top to access keyboard settings. Autocorrection is under Text Correction section, so you have to click on it first, and then scroll to use this switcher next to Autocorrection. When it's gray, that means that autocorrection is off. To turn it on, click on the same switcher until it's blue. If you decided to use autocorrection, I would recommend to try Undo Autocorrect on backspace too, because it makes using autocorrection even better. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!